Well, everybody, we are here at the back 40 of Benjamin and Nathaniel's school here in New Albany, and we're going to the creek to let a box turtle go that we found in the middle of the road in downtown Jeffersonville, in the middle of the city. And the boys thought that he would like this environment better. So we are finding a spot for Bob. Where you guys gonna put him?
Oh, I just got this. You did? Yeah.
It's just wet, Nathaniel.
Oh, just wet.
Hey, who you guys got here anyway?
His name's Bob the turtle.
Where is he?
He's right in that box.
In the box?
Yeah.
Oh, Bob got shy. Come on, Bob. It's time to come out of your shell. Ha ha ha. There he is. Hey, Bob. We're gonna find your new home, buddy. Okay? Let's go. Let's go.
You want to put him in the water.
No, he does. He's a box turtle. He doesn't live in the water. He just needs water to drink.
We need to put him near the water.
Yeah, well, we're near the water right now. We'll put him along the creek, along the edge here.
Right over here, Benjamin. This one. Right. Can you put him in the water? Oh yeah, this should go like. I'm in like a spot where he's kind of hidden.
Yeah?
But still close to like all that green moss stuff.
Alright, cool.
Water.
Alright.
Can I walk through this water?
Yeah. I did find a snake over here though.
Yeah?
He's a very small snake, but he's a snake nonetheless. Oh, there's all kinds of little minnows in here.
Snake? He's just very, very careful.
It's a little garter snake, and he's probably right here. He'll come around. Let's see if I can find him. He can, but I had a couple of garter snakes when I was a kid.
Where is he? Did you find him yet? No. Oh, he is very small. Yeah. I'm gonna walk over to him.
Hold on, no. There he goes.
I walk over to him.
So he's a garter snake.
Oh, he's going into the crack.
Yep, he went right into the crack, didn't he? He disappeared into the side of the riverbank. A lot of animals live on riverbanks, don't they?
Wait, this creeks or riverbank?
Well, creek bank, riverbank. Whenever there's places where the water comes through, it leaves spaces for wildlife.
Oh, when you're at
Lots of cracks and places for things
to... garden, can we stay down here?
Well, we've got the turtle taken care of, and we found a snake, and now I'm going to do my part to take care of the little garden we kind of adopt here at the boys' school. This is in front of their both of them had this class in quatrefoil when they were 3 to 6 years old, and they have this nice little garden spot outside of their door. And Rebecca actually planted this one. We have buttercrunch lettuce. We teach them how to eat their greens. I'll link to a previous video we did with that. And we got buttercrunch lettuce in the front. Actually, excuse me. We have black-seeded Simpson in the front, and then red sales in the second row, and then a row of pansies all the way across. And then, oh, there's the buttercrunch. We get buttercrunch in the middle. I came today to take a few of the weeds out and mulch it with some straw so the kids can have lettuce for lunch. It's awesome. I love this place. And the reason we snuggle them in for the cold weather, that's the reason for the mulch. To keep in moisture and to keep in heat, to keep the roots warm, to keep the soil warmer so the plants last longer.